Envex is focused on value recovery from industrial wastes and effluents. Our current operation is located in South Africa, right in the heart of the Mpumalanga coal belt. Envex employs innovative hydrometallurgical technologies for the economic remediation of industrial wastes, process effluents, and mining discharges. These technologies allow for selective recovery and purification of valuable metal and other content, producing saleable metal and other useful chemicals. Control over final effluent quality allows recycling of recovered water into domestic, agricultural, or industrial uses, which is important in water-stressed economies. This totally consumptive approach converts hazardous and toxic contaminants into valuable byproducts and usable water, considered essential to cost-effective mitigation of environmental impacts emanating from mines and industry. Our processing plants are fully containerized, including a process laboratory and maintenance module, as well as any other site-specific auxiliaries required. Envex is self-funded, with a strong team able to design, construct, and operate plants in diverse locations globally. Envex is currently focused on low-cost recovery of vanadium from calcine tailings, process effluents and contaminated groundwater, and previously demonstrated viability for reprocessing of spent catalysts, fly ash, and petrochemical residues, whereby hazardous vanadium contents may be removed, leaving benign residues for compliant, low-cost disposal. Envex employs a heap leach technology, where the leach liquor is applied to the top of the tailings resource and allowed to trickle down to the lined base. The pregnant solution is collected in a containment pond. From there, it's pumped to the ion exchange recovery plant. The second process step is clarification, where any solid particles are removed by filtration prior to ion exchange recovery. The metal recovery process used by Envex is called Simulated Moving Bed Ion Exchange, or SMBIX. Valuable vanadium content is selectively absorbed onto ion exchange resin for recovery as high-purity sodium vanadate solution. The pregnant vanadate liquor is suitable for direct conversion into a range of premium quality vanadium products. The heap leach and SMBIX processes are configured in a closed-loop continuous flow sheet, where the SMBIX effluent is recycled back to the leach. This allows effective management of overall water balance while providing attractive economics. Techno-economic viability of calcine reprocessing was proven at commercial scales at Waupatskloof over a 4-year period. The viability of the technology was subsequently demonstrated at pilot and commercial scales on other calcine tailings resources and vanadium process streams in South Africa. The extraction and selective recovery of all soluble contaminants from calcine tailings, including base metals, sodium, ammonium, and sulfates, employing a multi-step SMBIX process, was recognized as the next-generation future of consumptive mining by Siemens Water, a global leader in water engineering. The VRB electrolyte and nitrate salt CSP thermal storage medium products recoverable from vanadium calcine promise cost-competitive advantage in the emerging renewable energy storage market. Envex has negotiated a 5-year toll recovery contract with a major SA producer with project timelines as follows. In April 2017, we commenced with site establishment and plant construction, followed by cold commissioning in August 2017. Envex process went operational in September 2017, with steady state quickly achieved by October 2017. The plant has now been operational and financially viable for 2 years since startup. Processing industries all over the world have created huge waste liabilities. Left untreated, these liabilities will continue to impact the global environment, threatening quality of life for future generations. The Envex technologies applied to these wastes reduce future environmental liabilities while creating value and secure employment. Profitable remediation, improving your world.